In this video, we'll be making this customized loose powder case perfect for your gifts this holidays. If you haven't done it yet, please subscribe to this channel. So it's been a while. I was missing in action. Well, I just had my exam and I did pass that exam. So hopefully we have more time to make videos now. I made this as a gift for my pamangkin who loves unicorn and makeup. So the first thing that I did was to download a free or no copyright image from freepik.com. This is a perfect gift for kids because you can control what you put inside the loose powder case. I don't want anything that's harmful like a real makeup, so I'll just put baby powder inside it. So after downloaded the image, we measured the diameter of the loose powder case, and this measured around 6 centimeters. And then we just open our Photoshop and open an A6 size of canvas since that's the sticker paper that I have. And then you make, using the ellipse tool, you make a perfect circle of 6 cm in diameter. You can do this by holding the shift key while dragging the mouse, so you can have a perfect circle. And then I'm just setting the background color of or the filling of the circle with light pink because it's her favorite color, my niece. And for the outline, I set it to none. And then we'll open the unicorn image that I previously downloaded. And then you just select the background from the magic wand tool. And then I'll just choose inverse by right clicking and then selecting inverse so that the Photoshop will then select the unicorn itself. And then just some polishing, I removed the sparkles from the original picture and also the magical word at the bottom. So now that we have already selected the unicorn, I'll just copy this into the previous canvas of the A6 size. And using the move tool, I just resize the unicorn to fit into the circle. And then with the type tool, I'm just typing the name so that this will look more personalized. You can use any font that you want, and the size of the letters also that you want. So I'm just placing it at the center. And this is just my personal preference. I like putting an outline of my letters. So I'm just choosing white here or light pink. So I did some more polishing. I made the background a little more lighter and the outline of the letter white to make it pop out. So this is just basically it. And then you just print it onto the A6 size sticker sheet. And I just got this loose powder case. I'll put the link of the loose powder case container where I got them. And then we'll just cut this. And then we'll just get our loose powder container and sanitize this. I'm just spraying some alcohol into it and then let it air dry. After it's air dry, we'll just assemble this again. So this is how we assemble it. And then I'm just sticking the sticker paper unicorn logo on top or on the cover of the loose powder container. And then I'm just getting some baby powder and putting it inside the loose powder container. And then we'll just reassemble this and put the cover. And there you have it. A customized cover for the loose powder container. I also made another smaller one for another kid. And we'll just take another look at our finished product. So we have a loose powder case with the powder inside, safe for children. So if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. I also did something similar to the Kabuki Brush. Thank you for watching. Please watch my other videos as well posted in the screen. Till next crafting. Bye-bye!